Global Banking Training is a leading training provider for banks, corporate clients and individuals. We offer our workshops in all main financial capitals in the world: London, New York, Frankfurt, Zurich, St. Paulo and many others. We offer three main programs, and these are core programs for the investment banking industry. The first one is Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, all three levels, and we are an approved CFA provider. The second program is the Investment Banking Bootcamp.
I would any day recommend for someone who has about 3 to 5 years professional experience and they're just looking for in-depth discussion, building the financial model from the scratch and know how to value the companies and want to move over to different career from a non-financial career or within financial career. We get people from great institutions at an associate level or senior associate level, vice president level to do these programs.
And the last program is the Global Investment Banking Program, where the delegates get real-life experience of executing the investment banking transaction from A to Z.
If you are just an undergrad or a master's, or you come from an excellent engineering background and a quantitative background, and you want to make a career in investment banking or private equity or hedge funds, what you need is probably not 30-hour program. You need some in-depth, long-term program. And the program we have this for 5 weeks, I would say pretty much about 12 to 15 hours every day. These new delegates, they come and they work in long hours and learning from the basic, how to prepare the financial statements, then analyzing them, building the financial models from the scratch by comparable comps, transactions comps, discounted cash flow, and then doing the leverage buyout for the transaction. At the end of the day, making a presentation, writing confidential information memorandum, CIM, for about 40 to 50 pages. So they are ready for the job on day one. I can guarantee, based on our feedback and the experience, they can walk into any associate level interview for any investment banking, private equity or hedge fund, and technically they must be able to answer all those questions.
We train our customers for success in investment banking, private equity and hedge funds careers. And we use only one measure of success for our delegates. It's their employability.
One of the best thing, I think, from a career development perspective, or unique with institution like Global Banking Training, is when people come to Global Banking Training, they just don't come for learning the financial modeling or the technical skills or how to value the business. They come and they find the career. The relationship with Global Banking Training does not end just right after finishing the program. It goes, we get all the time calls, the people who have taken 3 years back training with us. I wish you good luck and hope to see you soon in near future. Thanks.
High profile analysis and building financial models in such a standard and high sophisticated way that would match any professional in the city.
That was the best experience I probably have. I don't think I've ever come across any experience that's that demanding and grueling at all.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Having just financial knowledge is not enough, but actual experience always helps, and this program just provided me exactly that.
Absolutely. I don't regret it at all.
And the one-on-one support, which I think has been really effective.
And also the support structure which was put in place to help us guys throughout the 5 weeks. So, you yourself were really helpful and very patient when we were asking all sort of questions, and the support staff you had was really helpful, and I think that was really a good experience for me.
I think it's the accessibility with you. Whenever we have a question or whenever we need advice on something, you were always available. I'm not sure how other programs operate, but I found that very, very useful and really a valuable part of the whole experience.
I think it helped me in working with senior associates in partners and gave me a good experience of learning different skills.
I would recommend to anyone just to follow this program because it was very, very, very beneficial.
Very friendly atmosphere. People from different backgrounds, which has been very interesting.
Global Banking Training has been great every time I've dealt with them. As far as the training goes, I just associate it with excellence.
You get what you pay for, I think. You get top-notch instruction. You truly do learn by the end of the process. It's almost as if you feel that just by being here, you're learning. Even if someone comes in, they don't want to put in the effort, just being around everyone else and listening to what you're saying, you acquire some pieces of information, and it really helps with your own knowledge.
Well, I have an interview with HSBC actually on Monday, but I'm more than confident now to, be able to answer any question, and I mean any question, because I think this program has touched on everything in such a short period of time, and I think that's the best way of doing this. And having other people to discuss different methods of, I don't know, finding different premiums for the industry and whatever. I think it's a really, really good space, because everyone's here for the same thing. They all want to learn, so we all have the same goals, and I think it's just a great program.